Hi dear students, here Professor Anil Gorakh Darekar. Today I am here with updated combined passing marks criteria on the basis of declared final year BE result. Dear students, in my last video I clearly said that the passing on the basis of combination of term work, practical, oral, INSEM and YENDSEM. So my comment and my statement in my last video, that is only on the basis of circular released by Savitribai Phule Pune University. But dear students, it is found that the combined passing is something different in BE result. So in front of you, this is the recent BE result copy. If you see in this result, you will found that, for example, paper code 401007, that is a hydraulic structure. So hydraulic structures you can see here. Internal marks, that is the INSEM marks 22, YENDSEM marks 7, total marks 29. So here that student result is fail. If you see the hydraulic structure, then hydraulic structures having oral examination for 50 marks, and that student scored 37 marks out of 50. So this result clearly telling us that oral marks is not considered for getting pass result of theory subject. So dear students, if you see the possible combination for passing, then you see just star mark, subject, that is the contracts and tenders. In that you can see 25 marks scored in INSEM, 21 marks scored in YENDSEM, total is 46 and result is pass. So dear students, as per the result of a final year students, it is a compulsory to score 40 marks out of 100 by doing a combination of only INSEM and end semester examination. Term work, practical, oral marks are not considered for passing in theory examination. Dear students, if you see another sample of recent BE result copy, you can see here paper code 402047, that is the energy engineering. For energy engineering, term work is there, oral is there. So here students scored 5 marks in INSEM, 25 marks in YENDSEM, total is 30, result is fail. And in this case students scored 16 marks out of 25 in term work, 18 marks out of 25 in oral. So here term work and oral marks are not considered for getting pass result. So here that student got backlog, that is result fail in engineering energy subject. So this result clearly telling us that term work, practical, oral not considered in passing of theory subject. So here possible combination you can see here. INSEM exam, for example, 0 marks, YENDSEM exam 40 marks, total is 40, result is pass. And for term work and oral, out of 50, students should score 20 marks. So for example, term work is 0, oral is 20, so total marks 20 and result is pass. Another second combination possible, INSEM score 30, YENDSEM score 10, total 40 out of 100, result is pass. And for example, that student scored 10 marks in term work, 10 marks in oral, so result is pass. Right, so this is about oral. Practical examination is there for SCTE BE students. For first year students, oral examination is not there. So for first year students, minimum 10 marks required out of 25 in term work and practical for getting pass result. So dear students, this is about the updated combined passing criteria for the engineering students. So dear students, whatever result you got, accept it. If you got fail result, then no worry, you prepare well for coming examination. try your level best to get good marks. Now special message to the first year engineering students. First year engineering students have mathematics 2 and engineering graphics subject tomorrow and day after tomorrow. So dear students, kindly focus on end semester examination and try your level best to get highest score out of 70. So please don't run behind passing, because passing is not enough to survive in this competition. So be positive, work hard, wish you all the best. Thank you. Thank you for attending my session.